In this video, you will learn how to assemble your Shere End Wheel Kit for a standard roll-in dock. This will complement other detailed information provided in FLOE's written assembly instructions and owner's manual. Before getting started, it is important to have a dock system layout. Our Design a Dock tool is ideal to help you lay out and visualize the dock system prior to assembly and installation.
In order to do the assembly, you will need the following tools. The wheels may be positioned so that they are either under the dock, inboard, or on the outside of the dock, outboard.
First, you will need to find the wheel kit bracket. Slide a 1/2 inch aluminum nut into the track. Thread a 1/2 inch bolt into the hole on the side to secure the nut. Do not tighten. Repeat this same process for the second bracket.
Next, you will mount the bracket to the dock. The bracket must be mounted 12 inches from the end of your dock. Next, attach the dock plate and spacers to the mounting bracket. A spacer is not required when it hits the dock webbing, as shown. Attach the dock plate to the mounting bracket using a 3/8 inch bolt, washer, and aluminum nut. Torque to 30 foot-pounds. Repeat the same process on the other side of your dock.
Next, you will assemble the wheel. Locate the spindle, the 2.5 inch spacer, the wheel, the 2.5 inch washer, and the spindle clip. Slide the spacer onto the spindle, followed by the wheel. Then, slide on the 2.5 inch washer and spindle clip. Insert one leg of the spindle clip into the hole on the spindle. Then, pull down on the lower leg of the clip until it snaps into the hole on the opposite side of the leg spindle. Repeat on the other wheel.
Insert the wheel kit tube into the mounting bracket on the dock. The wheels may be positioned so that they are either under the dock, inboard, or on the outside of the dock, outboard. Next, slide the vinyl cap onto the end of the tube. Now, adjust the wheel to your desired height. Torque the 1/2 inch bolt to 50 foot-pounds. This will secure the leg in place.
Your Shere End Wheel Kit is now installed. Thank you for choosing FLOE. Please consult your local dealer if you need additional assistance.